Right guys, we just had a full day with Aaron here, learning to build our business, grow, everything you could possibly ask for to learn more and grow your business, whether you're a business yourself or you've got a marketing agency or you're a content creator, anything that you do, I guarantee if you come here for a full day, you will leave knowing more, you'll be better, you will go away and you'll just feel like you have learned so much.
Who's got time for that when you've got a schedule like ours? I ain't got time.
Like if we get to, at the moment that's okay, because we're just getting one or two now and again. Aaron is so blunt, but in a good way. I tell you, if you're doing something wrong, he'll tell you straight.
But it's personalised, so you're not going to just get information that is, copied to every single person. It fits your business and how, especially the one-to-one.
Definitely, 100%. I would recommend the one-to-one to anyone that is trying to grow and build and to be where Aaron is. Because like I said, you come here for a day, I guarantee you're going to be where Aaron is in a few years' time. That's what you want. And I tell you what, it is worth a hell of a lot more than what he's charging.